In this video, I'm going to teach you how to enable lossless audio on Spotify. So in order to enable your Spotify lossless audio, you first need to head over right here into your actual Spotify from there. So into this part, you can see your actual homepage. So what we can do is we can head over right here into our profile, click on your settings and privacy. After that, scroll down until you can find the media quality option. Under this, you can see the Wi-Fi streaming, cellular streaming, as well as video streaming and cellular quality and download quality. As you can see, we don't have the lossless audio. That means that we are not subscribed to the premium plan. So for this case, you need to subscribe to the premium plan in order to enable it. You can click on the premium right here and click on Explore Premium. And you can see here the options for that. As you can see on the premium plan, they have the high audio quality, which typically means that it's actually the lossless quality option. So make sure to subscribe in order to get the lossless audio. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.